Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account and that sync is enabled so Play Store data matches your device. Next, check for pending Play Store and system updates because many missing app issues resolve after an update. Once done, restart the phone to refresh the launcher and system services, then immediately search the app drawer, app folders, and use the device search to confirm apps are really gone versus just hidden. If apps still don't appear, you'll focus on visibility and restoration. Open launcher settings and unhide any hidden apps. Disable third-party app hiders if present. Then go to Settings right arrow apps to confirm none are disabled. Enable them if so. If an app was removed from your account, reinstall from Play Store or sideload a trusted APK and make sure the package installer has storage and permission to run. Also clear Play Store cache to resolve indexing or listing errors. To finish, clear the launcher's app data or reset app preferences to restore missing icons and defaults, and try installing a different launcher to rule out UI bugs. If nothing works, back up everything and perform a factory reset as a last resort. This removes deep configuration issues that block app visibility. If issues persist after reset, document your device model, Android version, account details, and any error messages. That information is.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.